Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to touch base with you and just let you know that, sorry for the shakiness, that I will be posting some more videos hopefully this weekend. I've been a little busy, but trust me, I am thinking about you guys all the time. So I got some gun reviews coming for Segolas. It should be pretty cool, and just keep posted for that, guys and girls. And I wanted to remind you a little something that one of the most underrated things that would help you become a better painter and also become a better person in life in general is your attitude. There's one thing that really determines a big part of your future, and it's your reaction to things. You know, your response is your responsibility. Like I've talked to you guys, about that before. And whatever happens to you, and you have no control over it, it's gonna happen, right? But what will determine the outcome of that will be your response to whatever happens to you. So, whatever you're going through at work and, in life, I just encourage you to keep going. Be the person that you want to see. Like, be the person that you want to be. Because if you react in the wrong way, then you make things difficult, you make things worse. So obviously this is common sense, but common sense is not so common. So my encouragement to you guys is to think about your response. How are you responding to life? If life is happening to you, then there's something wrong. You have to take the reins a little more and be the person you want to be. And anyways, just a little thought for you guys. Your response is your responsibility. Let's not blame others for the things that we do. All right, that's very important. All right, guys, I love you. God bless you. I'll see you soon. Please be patient. I love you so much. Love you so much. Peace. Bye.